So today I'm gonna explain the flow of my program, which is to write a Java program that would print the string character separately. The program will ask the user to input or enter the data and print the number of characters. So I'm gonna hop it in my Java in IDE. I already have the complete system of it, which is the flow of my program will be I only put the import Java util scanner and declare the object, which is the S. I name my scanner S, then enter data. It will print out the data. Once it put the enter data, then it needs to put the user input data, which is all about strings. Since I putting a strings or a series of characters where I name it a word, then the S to use the scanner. Next line, which is for the string, keyword for the string, and then here once I put the series of character, which is the hello, I only use the for loop, which is execute only true. So I use the integers and the I, which will be my variable, and the values of it is 0, so it started 0. So in here, so we know that for loop is to run a fixed number of times, starts the given point, go up in a certain, and print and increment and decrement. So in here the condition and the operation will be the increment decrement. So in here we have the string. So my string has a definite starting place and definite ending place. It is the length, and the beginning place is the index, which in string, the string has different approach, which is have index and length. The string, so we know that the length only starts at 1, then index, which is less than the length, which is start 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So HELLO here around the bottom, HELLO has 5 characters, and index starts at 0 when it is counting. It started in 0, then length has not start in 0 but starts at 1. In order to use that, or to print the string of it in each character, we use the for loop. So my variable starts at 0 and the condition. So first is the H. So it starts at 0. So 0 with the first is 0 less than 1, which in the length of string is start at 1, position is 1, it's true. Then it will print out like in here word.char, which is the character H, print out the H, and then adding by 1, but adding the I variable 1 is 1, the 0 will be the 1 by adding 1. Is the length less than 2, which is the position of the length of my string is 2, which is the E. Yes, it is 1 less than 2, true. Then it print out the H or the E. We already done the H, then the E, then adding the I variable by 1 again. So before it has the 1 plus 1 equals 2, so 2 is 2 less than 3, which is the 3 length of the hello HL. it, which is true, then it print out the L, and then adding by 1, it will be, the I will be the 3. So is 3 less than, then 4, which is the 4 will be L in the string length, which is true, it print out the L. Then adding 1, 4, so the 3 before will be the 4 in the I variable. The value is 4. So 4 is less than 5. Which is true. It will print out here 0. Print out 0. Then adding 1, so the variable will be 5. So is 5 less than by 5, which is the length of the character? 5, it is not, so it will crash out and stop there. So that's how it goes. So none other than HELLO has 5 characters, and in index it starts at 0, so it only 4. Then again, it will only print out the print line, which is the has 5 character, which is exterminate, because it's false. 5 less than 5 is not true, which is false. Exterminate the whole process in here. Here, the whole process. Then print out the has 5 characters. So in here,
One, two, three, funky.